Hi, welcome to the GF channel. Today's topic is handles. These are the handles on the ceiling. That's the stock one, which is non-foldable, and I present you two foldable versions. That's from Mitsubishi Galant, late 90s, early 2000s. This is from Nissan Primera, same, late 90s, early 2000s. I'm changing it because it's in the way. I was actually carrying a fridge a few months back, and the fridge was hitting the front handle, and I decided it's time to make them foldable. So I started searching. It was a long search. First I ordered Mazda, but from the Mazda apparently they are shorter, so these are way bigger handles, and on all newer cars they seem to make them smaller. So I had to find some older cars, and these two seem to fit the description. Now I'm going to go with that one on the Mitsubishi. It has its worst parts compared to the Nissan one, but the plastic is better. You can see plastic actually doesn't seem to be aging, while this one, even with me trying to clean it, it just looks crap. And also it's the same color as this one. Now to mount those you need to do some modifications to the handles, while these are pretty much bolt on. The only thing you need to do is cut this one. You see I have cut it, and here there was another one. I've also cut this one. You remove those two and this bolts on directly, even with its own bolts, while these, they do not work like that. Now let me try to remove. Okay, as you can see I had to cut this hole, make it bigger. Also these also have these. You need to remove those on two sides. And to make things even more interesting, you see here inside you have an angle that kind of like a circle. There's a spring, so I cannot show you with one hand. Damn it. Let me try to open it up again. So the head of the bolt goes into that kind of circly thing there, but since we are moving the head of the bolt towards the right, you need to actually even grind the thing down. So if you look at this, which I already did, I have grinded down also the plastic there, so the bolt can actually fit in. Also the bolts from the Mitsubishi are smaller. The thread is smaller, so they are no good. You need to use the original one from the 6x6. Now I have already mounted one because there is an issue, regardless of which one you would like better. I have mounted it already. That's the Mitsubishi. It looks good, but if you take a closer look, there is a problem here. Now the Mitsubishi has a cap. I'm going to show you the cap, so it covers this bolt, but there is a problem here and here. Oh, so these are the caps. They go on top. How did I solve the problem? Well, that's why it's a mess here, because I actually solved the problem by cutting myself adapter plates. I use this old, that's from Mazda 323, where I got the side pocket, rear one, this side pocket. I have another video for that. This side pocket came from that panel, door panel, so I just used the plastic, and end result is cover matched. Don't mind, it's not perfect. This is not visible. Only the visible part is supposed to be made better. So now I'm going to remove the handle there, place this one so you see how it looks like, and then I'm actually going to place all the handles including the plates and show you the final result. Okay, so there's the Nissan handle. As you can see, it has its built-in caps, which is a plus. That's a benefit. The other ones are easy to lose when transporting. I actually have one of them lost, so I have to buy more. This is almost covered, but still there is a hole. It's better, especially when it's actually closed. You can see it still. The real benefit of that handle is it doesn't hit here the ceiling. Also, it has it doesn't work now, but it has nice soft closing. It needs to be oiled because it's old and it's going to start working, but it has nice soft closing. And even if it's not soft, it doesn't hit the ceiling. It doesn't produce no noise when you just release it. It's not going to bump here, while the Mitsubishi does. But it's also a lot thicker, so you're not gaining much space from your original one. Is a little bit more, probably a centimeter at most, which I do not like. So let me now assemble everything with the Mitsubishi handles and show you there. Okay, that's the final result. It looks good. Those are the caps, and that's the problem. That's the only problem of the Mitsubishi handle. Very strong and quite scary when it hits. There are the other sides. I've already done them, and the car actually looks amazing like that. I really like it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe. I'll be posting more videos soon. Bye bye.